Hello, I'm Nathan Huchak, and today I will spend a few minutes to talk about how much it would cost to power the United States using only solar power. For this analysis, I took into account both the solar energy cost per watt for commercial and residential use. According to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, in 2018, the average cost per watt for a residential PV system was $2.70. For commercial use, it was $1.83. Next, I considered the energy consumption by sectors. I grouped transportation and residential to be residential, since transportation can be charged from home, and commercial being commercial. I decided to leave the industrial portion out of this analysis because it's very unlikely that solar will be able to replace the industrial sector for energy needs. Commercial makes up 18% of the energy consumption, and what I calculated was it would cost $1.1 trillion to power the commercial sector. Meanwhile, residential and transportation take up roughly 50%, and with the price being higher for PV, it would cost $9.14 trillion to power those. This brings our total to roughly $10.25 trillion. Now that sounds like a pretty big number, but we also have to consider that part of the United States is also powered by solar energy already, and that if we were going to implement this on this large of a scale, that the cost per watt for solar energy would also decrease. Over the last 10 years, the price per watt has gone down around 80%, and this is mostly due to higher efficiency in the modules and lower construction and supply chain costs. When doing my cost analysis, I considered if the price were to go down even more per watt, but we have to hit a price boundary eventually, and it seems that we're pretty close to it for producing solar energy. So I'm pretty confident with my $10 trillion estimate. This presentation covered the cost analysis of powering the United States using only solar energy, with cost per watt of both residential and commercial sectors.